All right, guys, this is my review of the Everlasting Comfort brand Pure Essential Oil Set. And I'm going to get into this. My name's Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. So, is this for you? I'm going to tell you what, I'm late to the game on aromatherapy, or I should say essential oils. I like candles to relax, but I've never tried essential oils, but I've heard so much about it. So this is my first time trying it out. And I went with, so they have, first of all, let's go over this product. So they have they have 6 scents. They have sweet orange, tea tree, lavender, vanilla, eucalyptus, and geranium. And I can tell you, I am doing the lavender right now. And dude, first of all, I love the vibe of just the steam. You can also hear the water a little bit. And the scent is so relaxing, dude. I'm gonna be using this while I work from now on. But what I want to tell you, so first of all, it comes like this. Like I said, there's 6 different scents. The cool thing about this is all I did is put 100 milliliters of water in here. The max fill line is 400 milliliters in this diffuser. But you only need to put in, for every 100 milliliters of water, like 1 to 2 drops of this stuff. So this stuff, like a 6-pack of this, is going to last for a really long time. And I can tell you just from trying the lavender, dude, this is such a vibe. I know a lot of people use it for relaxation. Some people use it for if they have colds or congestion and things like that. I can picture it working for that. I can't vouch for it, but I can vouch for the vibe and the relaxation that you get from it. I've always been into scents. Now I'm seeing what people are kind of about with the aromatherapy. This company, Everlasting Comfort, puts out some really, honestly, if you look at their products, they put out a lot of stuff that's focused on comfort. Whether that's at the office, at home, when you're traveling, or things like this. I can tell you, just trying this is going to be something I do consistently, because I'm used to lighting up candles every night. This is, to me, when I'm just processing it right now, it seems like this is going to be a much better value, and these things are going to last way longer than a candle would. So the affordability is huge with this, and the variability of having 6 different scents, I think, is great. So I would say if you're into essential oils or thinking about it, these are definitely a good one to start, because it's a 6-pack and you've got a wide range of flavors or scents. Try them out.